Okay. Hi everybody. I'm back and I feel like painting today as usual. Oh my goodness. So I had to take a little break. Took a little break to just get myself together, get some more paint and all this stuff. So I just took a little mini break. We artists need to do that so we don't get artist block and burnouts. But anywho, I've been waiting for a sunny day because I just love a good sunny day. So I'm so happy it's sunny right now. So as usual, when it's really nice sunny, that's when I really love to paint. I'm gonna try and think about getting a little setup to go paint outside one of these days. So, but the song that I'm picking today, that I picked for today, is by Disturbed, and it's called "The Sound of Silence." So I've been wanting to paint this song for a while, and I decided why not paint it today. And it's a song that picks up tempo as it goes, so it's a very interesting song. I like it, so I'm going to paint to that today. And we're going to see what the colors and what this song is going to do. So, alright, so before every painting, everyone, if you've been following me, y'all know I like to pray. So now I'm just going to turn around and say my little prayer. So if you just pardon me. Oh. Alright. Okay, so. Oh, you like, okay, so you know the song. So I'm gonna read the comments at the end. So, alright, so got my brushes, I got my colors, and we are going to see what happens. And as I say with every painting, don't expect anything. Enjoy the process, because I enjoy the process so much. That's why I love doing it. Like, no matter how the painting comes out, the process is always so fun to do. So, alright, so let's Disturb, The Sound of Silence.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because the visions of
good to just let it all out like that. Oh man. Oh no. They all come out looking crazy no matter how they turn out. I enjoy doing the process. It feels so good. Love your art. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you tuning in to watch, and everyone that took the time out to watch me. I really appreciate you, and your support means the world to me. I just enjoy the process. The process feels so good. Huh? That's my painting for today. Thank you for watching. Instagram, my website, Facebook is Miche's Heart. You can just search it, Miche's Heart. You'll find me. My website, www.michesheart.com. And again, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I send you positive vibes. I send you love, and I send you happiness. And I hope your weekend is amazing. So, I love y'all. I use Liquitex Basic Paint. So, I like them. I like the consistency of them. But again, thank you. Bye.